How many times did your customers face problems they couldn't solve, and so they reached out to you for assistance? They had to open a ticket, schedule an appointment, and you had to promptly send a technician on site to provide support, sometimes even more than once. The whole process resulted in long waiting times, personnel and travel expenses, and occasionally low customer satisfaction. Thanks to SPACE1's virtual remote interventions feature, your company will now be able to quickly and remotely manage the simplest operations, regardless the customer's skills or the device they are equipped with. An SMS or an email will notify the customer with all the details about the scheduled appointment, providing a link as well to connect with the remote support technician. With a simple click on their smartphone, a collaboration session with an experienced technician will start directly in their browser, which becomes the virtual point of contact for solving the issue. Leveraging cutting-edge collaboration features and an advanced user experience, SPACE1 will allow the customers and technicians to interact in a simple and intuitive way, sharing annotations and multimedia content to provide real-time support, perform inspections, or estimate times and materials for managing complex interventions that cannot be solved on the spot. All of this while ensuring promptness, safety, and high standards of customer satisfaction. SPACE1. Customer service has no boundaries.